All right, here's the new fraction 3, fraction 4 3.0. This is the fixed version of the unit. Right here you can see the Athena node. There's the aperture with the baffle removed. In order to maintain the product, you take out the optic. That gives your hand enough room to reach in. You can pull down, at which point you have the node. It's attached to a piece of sheet metal. You can simply unsnap the node from that piece of sheet metal, remove the wires, reconnect a new node, replace it back into that component. It's held on with 2 magnets. Reinstalled.